Have you ever wondered if there's a stylish, comfortable, sexy way to protect your hair at night? In this video, I'm gonna unbox my new hair bonnet by Minovet. Coming for the throne. So what's so special about Minovet is she makes her hair bonnets handmade with beautiful, special satin. Satin is especially good for your hair. What that does for you is allows your hair to slip beautifully because you don't want any breakage. It doesn't strip the oils. Your hair still looks healthy, luscious, sexy, beautiful after the hair bonnet. I love handmade pieces. This was gifted to me, so thank you so much, Chrissy. Chrissy is the owner of Minovet. She's very kind, sweet. This is a Black-owned business, which I definitely support 100%. And yes, our hair is very, very special to us. We have to protect that hair. We have to make sure we care for our hair. It's part of our bodies. Caring for my hair is part of my self-care routine. So it's very important that I care for my hair because it's loving myself. My hair is a part of me. So showing my hair love is showing myself love. So yes, let's unbox this. I'm so excited to see my new hair bonnet and how it feels. I'm very picky with hair bonnets and hair caps and anything with my hair, like hats and anything, because honestly I do have a big head, and anytime I buy something new, it's a struggle to have it fit perfectly because I end up getting a headache. It's so uncomfortable. I'm not happy, and we don't want that. We want to be happy, sexy, cute, comfortable. So are you ready to see what's inside? I did cheat already. I opened it, but then I opened the box and then I saw how cute it was. I was like, oh my gosh, we have to unbox it together. I love little touches like this. It just makes me excited, and I'm a sucker for packaging. So the first thing included is a little card. It says thank you. I love it. It just makes me feel special. And then next, it has a little bow. I literally just ordered a hair bonnet, but this looks like a beautiful surprise. This is adorable. So it says, thank you for supporting my business. Look how beautiful these scrunchies are. And the satin is very, very nice. These colors are so pretty. And you want to have satin scrunchies because you don't want scrunchies to pull out your hair. The bag is so beautiful. I love this. And this is perfect because on the go, like if you're going to go on vacation, you just easily put your hair bonnet in this little baggie again. So that way it's not just everywhere with all your other clothes. So it tells you what it is here, satin bonnet, and it says medium standards. So this is the one that I actually chose, the black, because I have a black satin robe and I love black, and black is just like mysterious and sexy to me. I chose the pink inside. The pop of pink just got me happy, like dark and bright. It was very cute. So this one comes with the drawstring, which is very nice. It's adjustable, which is perfect for different types of heads. We're all uniquely beautiful, and the fact that you can easily adjust it to your size of your beautiful head is amazing. Okay, so this is the medium one on. The pull string is here. I don't even need it. It has a really good stretch to it. It doesn't feel tight at all. It's very, very comfortable. And my hair feels like it has a good amount of space. The good thing about hair bonnets is that it would not flatten your hair. Your hair will still have volume, so that way you don't have to worry about maybe like refreshing your hair or like trying to finger curl your hair again or adding extra product, just to avoid that product buildup that you might not even need. You can see the little pink popping out. I love it. So this is the satin bonnet, large, oversized. How cute are these little bags? So this has nothing to do with the size of your head. This is the size of the bonnet, like where your hair is gonna be. So if you have a large head of hair, like if your hair is big, if you have braids, if you have a big fro, or if you just want room so your hair could be free, then the large would be good for you. These feel so nice. So this is the large bonnet in a beautiful black and pink like the other one. And this is the medium one. And side by side comparison, you can see this one here hangs more. So there's more space. And it's amazing that it has the drawstring, because a lot of the times if you wear hair bonnets when you're sleeping, sometimes if you're a wild sleeper, if you just like to move around, or if you have so much hair that it makes the hair cap move, This is perfect because it keeps it in place. It keeps it secured, because the whole point of you wearing hair protection overnight is so that way your hair is protected. You don't want something to fall off in the middle of the night. Your hair gets ruined, breaks off, it gets dry. So this is perfect that it stays on your head all night. I think I like this one better than the medium. It's so funny because I didn't think I would need the large, because I thought maybe I didn't really have that much hair, but just the amount of room, I like it. How's it look? Do you like the large one? And again, this is not so tight. It's not going to give me a headache. I don't feel any type of pressure on my head. And last but not least, how cute is this? This is the satin bonnet gift set. And this color is beautiful. I actually love purple. Purple is my favorite color. So the fact that it has this green and this purple peeking out, look at the beauty of this bonnet. Seeing these colors, it's like a peacock. Oh, it's so nice. And the satin looks very luxurious and feels luxurious. So it is very, very stretchy. So I'm sure it's going to fit comfortably on my big head. So the bow here is basically to allow you to adjust it. So if you want it to be tighter, then you just untie the bow, pull the string and make it tighter depending on how big or small your head is. But this is the perfect amount and it's not squeezing my hair. And I know that it was handmade, the US, supporting a small business. I love it. Tell me which one is your favorite. And this one is medium, so it doesn't have as much room as the large one.
So you wanna go to war with me? You're talking like you think you're royalty. You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break. I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay, won't look away. The storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the.
So these were my hair bonnets. They look, feel, fit me so beautifully. I'm extremely happy with them. The link to Minovet's website will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. Let's protect our beautiful hair, our crowns that are so special. I love you. Thank you. Bye.
Coming for the throne.